to the slightly embarrassing bachelor flat culinary odyssey video. Let me just turn on some light. So this is the kitchen with a fish tank and quite a lot of dirty washing up. First of all, in the fridge, what do we have in here? We have some pilau rice, cherry tomatoes, a little bit of smoked salmon, nice, and some organic yogurt, orange juice, lemonade, and an assortment of condiments. The most important thing being, of course, proper coffee. If we have a look at the cupboards, the most used cupboard would be this cupboard here, with all of your little bits and bobs. And food-wise, I don't think we've really... Oh, we've got some bread and Hoover bits in there. And I don't really know what that is. Some sort of gym cupboard. That's pretty much it.